How to connect Razorpay to Shopify. Now, connecting or syncing over your Razorpay to your Shopify account is very easy. As long as everything is set up, everything is verified, especially with your Shopify account, then you will not have any problems in the future. So what you want to do first is of course visit the shopify.com's official site and make sure that you're logged into that account who is already fully verified and has already have a payment method and set it up. Now once you have logged in, just head directly to the settings, which is going to be the gear icon located at the top left portion of your screen. And in here, you will have a bunch of options. So since we're connecting a payment method, which is going to be a Razorpay, then head out directly to billing. And in here, make sure that you have already set up your payment method. If you haven't set it up yet, then that specific provider will not be reflected here. So just simply click on provider and choose Razorpay Direct. And that's it. That's how easy and quick you can connect your Razorpay to your Shopify account.